Hello everybody, today we're going to teach you how to change the toggle switch on a Tempo Walk transmitter. Sometimes this toggle will get broken if it gets dropped and it kind of lands on there. So we're going to teach you how to change that out really easily. You'll see this little nut right on the side. First thing we'll do is we'll unscrew that. Next you'll see two screws on the front. It's a number 1 Phillips, so we'll just take those out. You'll see the power wire goes directly into this plug here. We'll undo that plug and you'll be able to take the toggle switch out, replace it with the working toggle switch. You'll see this indicator, the wire, can only go in one way. Not that way, Ted. Make sure you have a good connection. Make sure your switch was turned off. Put your two screws back in. And then we'll tighten down. Double check to make sure you have a good functioning green light.